How to log out Gmail from other devices. So if you want to log out your Gmail account or your Google account from other devices, then what you have to do is simply open up your Google account or your Google application, and after opening your Google application, go to your profile, which is on the upper right corner, and then tap on manage your Google account, and here scroll right and choose the security section. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you will have your devices option, like where you have signed in. So under that you will have manage all devices, and from here you can simply choose the device, and after choosing you will have sign out option, which is on the left side. You can simply tap on sign out and again tap on sign out. And that's it. That's how you log out your Gmail account from other devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.